As in the last video, we discussed about the phraseogram. Now in this video, we will take some example of phrases like I thank you, I thank you, I think you should be, I think you should be. See कितने easily outlines बन रहे हैं. I have the, I have had, I have had. पेन को उठाए बिना हमें ये बनाना है, राइट? मतलब पेंसिल को उठाए बिना. आई सॉ द, राइट? आई सॉ द. आई सी, आई एम, आई मे बी, राइट? आई विल बी, राइट? सो आई विल बी. यू शुड, you should, you can, like this. You will, so you will, you will be, you will be, right? They were, they were. Why do you, why do you, okay? Why have you, why have you, right? With you, so much. With each जैसे with which, with much, with each हम सब इसके साथ बना सकते हैं. What do you, right? What do you, okay? What can be, so it's what can be. It should be, it should be, it's like that. It will be, so it will be. Which were, which and were. Too much, too much. Let's take a sentence, right? The sentence is, why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? Why do you think he should, he was aware, aware, व और र दोनों को हमने जोड़ दिया है ना. अवेयर ऑफ द एक फ्रेज है, हमने ऑफ द बनाया. लाइकली, लाइकली, लाइकली एंड लाइकली. फेलियर, फेलियर, फेलियर. ऑफ द अगेन अ फ्रेज, फर्म, right? Question mark, it's like that. Next sentence is, I thank you for the tube of color, which I think you should be all right. So I thank you for the tube of color, right? Which I think should be all right. Okay. Always make sure कि जो स्ट्रोक्स हैं वो छोटे ही बने. जितने बड़े स्ट्रोक्स होंगे उतना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा. स्ट्रोक्स अभी से ही छोटे रहेंगे तो आगे सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करने में इजी रहेगा.